So welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Here we're in the virtual machine where they're prepared. Now we're going to check the Python version, the pip version, and going to clone our Apple. Great. Let's change the working directory. Let's run the server. So if we're going to switch the page where we're recording. So let's go back to the platform. So let me minimize this guy. Here we go. So I installed the thing. So here in the external IP address, here we go. We have a virtual server there. So I would like to share this. We just ran a server, okay, with this IP address, the same publication. See you in the next video.